Now something with Wavey Dave, if he is there, he's there, yeah, he's there. Right, slow right down.
Look at that. Hope you're not vegans. It's not a vegan breakfast.
Welcome to Fentor. I'm very stylishly wearing these glasses. What's this video all about? Being collared for money by people at BMW. They have no scruples. I visited in all innocence to BMW Sycamore to get my bike serviced and ended up, you'll see. I've been riding a lot recently. My garden is neglected. It's a bloody jungle, look at that, it's a mess. So we're going to get the Honda out. In fact, I've got it out, it's here, look at that. And that's why I've got these on. 25 cc's of Honda power. Oh yeah, look at that. You're bored of that now. Let's look at the gear. GS is 3 years old, so it had to have the dreaded MOT. It's time for its service. It was up to 14,000 miles, so needed that. So I went in, all tyres were shagged as you know, and made a hell of a din. So got some new tyres, which are quieter, and you'll see in a moment. But what did I get collared for? For Sycamore BMW had some deals on. Very good deals. So firstly, let's get the bike over. Well, let's go for the new tyres. These are so much quieter. So much quieter. What are they bloody called? What's it say on them? Michelin Road 5 Trail. What a boring name. But great so far. And look at that. What's that? A Remus end pipe. So down at Sycamore, whilst I was going to collect it after its MOT service and new tyres, did you know we have a really good deal on these Remus exhausts? And they can fit the 1250 as well if you ever upgrade. So one of the things I thought about was the Akrapovic. I can't even say it. That one, you know. But you can't retrofit the 1200 to the 1250. Apparently you can with this. No idea why. Anyway, we'll have a listen to that shortly. Looks nice, doesn't it? Tiny bit lighter. Do I go any faster? No. And then in the clothing department, we're getting some very silly prices out. So stupidly, I looked at a jacket and it fitted me perfectly. List price of £375, they'd knocked it down to 150. And here it is. Look at that. Oh, what the hell's it called? It says. Oh, anyway. So it's going to be a lot cooler for riding in summer. I'm a bit fluorescent, whether you like that sort of thing or not. But I guess I've got all the lights at the front. Why not have some fluorescence? So they collared me for a bloody jacket as well.
Right, finally I'm out. Up in Norfolk, looking for somewhere for breakfast near the coast. 7:37. And do you know some really interesting things? The tyres, I don't know if it's my imagination, they seem to roll so much better. I know the other ones are squared off, but I never recall the way this is much more eager to turn in. And the exhaust as well. Down at Sycamore, bloody collared me, as I said earlier. £507 fitted, and it will fit the 1250 if you upgrade. Interesting, wasn't it? It didn't say there was any more power or anything like that. It just sounds better, looks better, which it does. Listen to it in a moment as I come out the limit here. But there is definitely a difference in performance. So it's that much more powerful, but the engine seems to rev a bit more freely, maybe a tiny bit more torque, a little bit. I looked at the website, it said 2.6 horsepower extra. Right, you listen to this. I mean, it sound good, and it wants to rev now. Look at that. Bloody hell! Lifted up there. Shit. That is interesting, because Fentor is normally sedate, slow rider, and this feels a bit slow now. We've got quiet tyres, so there's a little bit of wind noise, but not a lot. The horrible road noise from the tyres. Listen, if I lift this up, you can hear the engine now. Can't really hear tyre noise. Thank fucking goodness. Sorry about that. So much better. The problem I'm going to have now is that speedo. Not filming and getting it winding round. I've got all the panniers on as normal. Top box, you know what I'm like. Drone on board. It's too windy anyway. Oh, yes. It should. It may be, it's forecast to rain in Norfolk, so I'm heading there. Because you know what I'm like, I love rain. I love riding in the rain. And the street guard stuff never got wet. But is this sort of lightweight textile thing any good in the rain? We shall I probably won't find out. Now I'm aiming to get wet. It probably won't bloody rain, will it? I'll miss all the showers. And why haven't you seen me out early morning before? Well, normally early mornings I'm doing a 6 or 7 mile walk to get rid of the beer belly. But today I thought I'd do an evening walk and get out on the bike early. Sunday morning is perfect, and there is no traffic. No traffic. Very little traffic. It's a great time to come and enjoy the roads of Norfolk. This does feel a bit sedate, I have to say, when normally I'd be quite happy at this speed. Isn't that funny? And it's not bollocks. Maybe it's just because the tyres are that much quieter. And I've got the earplugs in as well. And it's just I'm very comfortable sitting here. Lovely, nice, cosy. 360 camera isn't out today because the little clamp that I use is the actual thumb screw part has started to spin on the screw thread part, if that makes sense. It's just sort of clamped on rather than welded or properly pinned, and that must have over tightened it, so I could repair it by drilling a hole through it, putting a pin in, or just get another one off Amazon for a £5 or whatever they cost. So I've got 360 camera in here still, so I might sort of hold it or something. Probably bloody drop it, wouldn't I? Knowing my luck. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So the search now is for breakfast, or maybe I'll probably top up with some gasoline and get some breakfast somewhere up in Norfolk. I'm heading towards Holt. We'll see if there's somewhere for breakfast there. There's a lovely cafe called Byford's. Yesterday was the 4th of July and pubs and restaurants and that sort of thing allowed to open again, serve people sitting at their own tables. They have outside tables, so hopefully you can sit outside, have a bacon sandwich and a cup of coffee. If not, we'll go along the coast until we find somewhere serving a beverage. So something I've noticed with these tyres is they give me more confidence. Why are they giving me more confidence? What is it that's being fed back through the handlebars that makes me feel happy to go that little bit heavier into corners? I might just have a go at fixing the 360 on its long arm somewhere or other on the bike. Pull over at the upcoming village and have a fiddle around. See if we can get that worked out. Because, although he won't be there, will he? this time of the morning, we'll be coming up to where Wavey Dave lives. And yeah, is he just a mystery person? Am I just making it up? No, because he was there the other day when I didn't have a camera working. So that's what the fuck is Ed Tour on about? Well, if you've been following for some time, you watched my chip run video of a few weeks ago. I went past a house where a guy nicknamed Wavey Dave lives. He stands outside and waves. He's a very happy chap. Smile and wave at him makes his day. It makes my day as well. But he doesn't ever seem to be there when I go past with a video running. And I don't know if he's out this time of the morning. It's pretty early on the Sunday. He's probably having a lie-in, like many people on a Sunday. Anyway, we'll fix the we'll get the 360 sorted out somehow or other. Give it a go, eh? Yep. Pub, we are open. Are you? What, this time in the morning? Right. So we've got the Insta working. Look at this. I don't understand why they have a wobbly bottom on it. I know you can. It's a bit weird, that. But anyway, I shall go steadily along here. If we see Wavey Dave, I can wave and film me waving. Yeah, great, eh? Ooh, little pop from the exhaust, I mean. I don't mean from my bottom. This bloody camera is wobbling everywhere. Oh well. It will serve its purpose. Anglo-Saxon Cathedral remains just past that wall to the right of me. Worth a visit if you're interested in historical cathedral ancient stuff. Must mean that this village was once quite an important place during Anglo-Saxon times, no doubt. Right, let's get down to see if Wavey Dave is waving or having his breakfast and not there. What's the bettings, guys? Is he going to be there? We'll find out shortly. Now, something with Wavey Dave, if he is there, he's there! Yeah, he's there! Right, slow right down. Something with Wavey Dave is you must blow your horn. Very tempting. Just wave. So we're going to give him a really good wave, thumbs up and all that sort of stuff. Here we go. Good morning. Now that's fucking awesome, isn't it? I love him. You may think he's crazy, but he's really happy. He loves to wave at the traffic. And what could be better? Cheering up the passers-by on the B, whatever this is called, B1110 into Norfolk, than to have Wavey Dave waving. See? Wasn't telling pork pies. It's fucking true. He is a legend in Norfolk. And he has his own Facebook group. I'll put a link or something below so you can join it. But be polite and nice to him. Never blow your horn because, yeah, not so good for his neighbours. But yeah, that was brilliant. Loved it. See how good these tyres are. Like giving me the confidence to go around a corner. Like this one. Hey, look at that. I was thinking, Wavey Dave must have thought I was a big fan wearing my lovely fluorescent jacket. Actually, something interesting and a bit concerning is the fluorescent colour attracts flies like fucking horse shit. Stop changing that. Sticking this camera on here. Flies everywhere. Arse. See, that is lovely. Turn in. Gives these definitely more confidence inducing tyres. Sunshine! Haha! briefly. My expectation of rain may not occur. Let's put the bike back in dynamic. Okay, suspension's now firmed up a little bit. I really hope the bloody GoPro's recording properly. Because if Wavey Dave's audio's... If my audio's not on Wavey Dave, I'll be really fucking pissed off. The bloody GoPro... The thing is, the Hero 8... Partly user error. I've buggered up quite a lot of filming. Or it has. The audio does seem to be flaky. Never got that with the Hero 7. So why don't I go back to the Hero 7? Because the actual quality, when you start watching it back, it is better. Yeah, they're both 4K and all that sort of stuff. They're really sharp, but it just looks better. The Hero 8 image quality is outstanding. So, well, I think it is. It's better than the 7. So I do like that sort of perfected image if I can. So now I'm in Holt. Will Byford's be open for brekkies? Is it open? Sunday, 9 AM. What's the time? 8:34. I'm not going to wait around. So problem is on the internet it still said the opening time to be 7:30 AM on the Sunday. Never mind. Didn't sort of half expected it to be shut anyway. Good excuse to carry on along the coast. Still, things are getting back to normal. 9 AM is respectable time to open. I shall remember that for another week. Looks like I may be in luck with the sunshine. So, but then out of luck with the wet weather testing for the jacket. A lovely day. Well, I do love Salthouse, great place. One of the things with Norfolk roads is they always get gravel down the middle when it's been raining. It seems to stay there forever. So as bikers, you've got to be careful up here where you're cranking the bike. You stay off that gravelly middle bit. I mean, just even here on the main road, a well-used road, look, in the centre there, gravelly, gritty crap. So it's certainly not the place to be using the whole road and leaning it. And there are some bits where the water's washed huge amounts of gravel across the road on the quieter roads, so just something to be aware of. So when I looked this morning, I should have taken a screen capture from the phone. About where we are now was raining, or just rain coming up. So I thought, yep, test that jacket, get the old Fentor rain coming again. So when I don't want rain, I get it. When I want some rain to test something, it doesn't bloody come. I mean, what's the sense, eh? So anyway, there's some very good advice there, isn't there, for if you're going to go touring in Britain on your motorbike and you don't want it to rain, make sure you don't go when I am. If you knew when I was going, that is. Right, because I don't know sometimes until I do it. This is Clyde next to the sea. But it's no longer next to the sea. The sea has abandoned it. It's about a mile away. Another 20. I think that's a good idea, 20 through Clyde. It does mean you can tootle along at 20 and enjoy villages like this. and not feel that you're holding anyone up because you're going the legal limit of 20 miles an hour. Still ever so windy out there, so I think unlikely that we're going to be doing any dronage. Again, jinxed the rain, no, jinxed the wind by having the drone. Daddy's getting ready to sell all its fruit and veg. This is Blakeney, and what a pretty place it is. This street is very narrow and it has little tiny streets going off. Just not that you could drive on. Lokes, I think they're called. Something like that. It's rather nice. Some good hollyhocks going there. A few people around. They're going for breakfast. Just out for a Sunday morning walk. Here is the seafront, the waterfront, quite the sea. Tea caravan's open over there, but I'm going to carry on. Just let you enjoy beautiful Blakeney. Oh, if you like crabbing, or you've got children who like crabbing, or you've got children who'd like to be entertained, this is a brilliant place at high tide to come crabbing. Brilliant fun. Just put the crabs back. Well, you don't have to. You could cook them, I guess. I put them back. Crabbing kits. There we go. Everything you need. I've decided I'm at Bircham Deepdale. There's a cafe back there. It's quite nice, but look, very busy. Everyone's on holiday, having their breakfasts. People have been released. Campsites are full. The breakfasts are full. The cottages are full. Everything's full. Anyway, I'm going to head inland. Right, here we are. Left here. Yes, I'm going to head inland now to Bircham, a village called Bircham, and see if their cafe is open. Not too busy. Get something decent for breakfast ordered. Sit outside, hopefully, and enjoy. All this gravel in the middle. So something else to talk about, and I'll put it into another video, is I ballsed up. I've ballsed up so much filming recently. I borrowed a beautiful Royal Enfield 500 Trials. Great time testing it out. And I did it in bloody hyperlapse. No, I can't blame that on the GoPro. That was human error. Anyway. And there's other videos where I've tried to use an open face helmet with the Insta and the audio was shit, and I might put some of those together. I might not. Or with some music or something. And I'm looking at some music as well. I'll probably fill you in on that when I find a suitable piece of video to stick some music on.
You take your chances in life, which way to go. I took the wrong turn, I paid the toll. People keep asking where I've been. I can't look in their eyes and answer them. I took the wrong road, baby, the one that took me away.
So Bircham, and this is the Bircham Cafe and Deli. Let's see if it's open for a bit of breakfast and coffee. Be nice if it is. Ooh. Looking good. Stick the bike here.
This is one super deli. Will I be tempted to purchasing else bacon rolls being made and cappuccino? And I shall sit in the wind. Fantastic.
I wouldn't normally film myself eating, but this bacon roll is outstanding. More coffee. Bloody good. Bircham Stores and Cafe. Well, the cafe's not open yet, you can sit outside, but I think it's opening Tuesday apparently. So you can sit inside if it's raining. It didn't matter today, but some other bikes coming, or going.
Harley. Yeah, Harley. Triumph Harley.
Oh my god, this is good. Look at that. Hope you're not vegans. It's not a vegan breakfast.
Excellent, excellent. All the bikes that have gone past while I've been sitting having my breakfast, you've missed out. The best bacon roll in Norfolk. Right, shall I put the Insta back on? No, I can't be bothered now. I think take this off and then we can not worry about it annoyingly flapping around. This is the life, isn't it? Although I'm going to have to do my 6 or 7 mile walk this evening now. Let's put this camera in there and get this one going, and then we'll say goodbye to you. What's going on? Change of glasses. I have got 2 pairs, if you wonder why I'm wearing different ones sometimes. I did record a most beautiful Oscar-winning end to today's Ventour episode on the bike. Well, I tried, and yes, the GoPro Hero 8 did something. It did not record the audio again. It recorded lovely wind noise and exhaust noise, but no Ventour noise. But anyway, it's been fun. Good morning, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and you enjoyed it, please subscribe, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. Thumbs down, of course, if you thought it was rubbish. And ride safe, guys. And we'll see you on the next episode of Ventour. Bye.